In today's video, I'm gonna guide you on how you'd be able to schedule messages on Instagram. So let's get started. So first, there are conditions that you would need to meet first. First one is you wanna go into your messages and go into the chat that you'd want to schedule a message in. For example, this one. So you want to make sure that both of you, are able to message in this chat right here, and then you'd have these options right here. And then next is that you can also follow each other, in that way, it would make the feature work better. But I think this is not necessary as long as you have both accepted that you will be in contact or chatting together. Then it should be fine as long as you have this kind of features here on your chat sidebar. Now, the next thing that we'll do is that you want to go into your profile and make sure that you are in a professional account. If not, this is how you can switch it. It's very easy. So tap here on edit profile. And then from here, tap on switch to professional account, tap on next, and then just complete this process. So I'm just going to select this one, for example, and tap on switch to professional account. And then after this is that there might be a few prompts that you'd need to answer about your account, so just answer them honestly. And then from here is that you can tap on the X button on the top right. And there it is. We now have professional dashboard. That means we are in a professional account. Now that we have met those conditions, the next thing that we're going to do is to tap here on our message icon on the top right. And then now you want to go into the conversation with a person that you'd want to schedule a message with. So for example, I'm going to go for sample message to be scheduled. I'm just going to type this sample message. You can type whatever you'd want. Now to schedule this, you just simply need to long press on the send button. So when you long press on that, you'd now be able to schedule messages. You can see right here. So I can just choose the date, which is tomorrow, for example, and then the time right here, let's say 10:37 a.m. and tap on send tomorrow at 10:37 a.m. Tap on it. And then as you can see, there is a one scheduled message pop up right here just above the chat bar. You can tap on that and then you'd be able to see your scheduled messages in here that is yet to be sent. So that's it on how you'd be able to schedule messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.